Hi, this is Megan from DIY Domination. Have you ever wondered how to make your home more eco-friendly? In a world where sustainability is increasingly important, creating an eco-friendly home is not just a trend, but a necessity. Our homes can be a beacon of change, a place where we demonstrate our commitment to the planet. In this guide, we'll walk you through steps to transform your home into an eco-friendly haven. We'll explore energy-efficient design and appliances, the use of renewable energy sources, water conservation, and the incorporation of sustainable materials. We'll delve into the benefits of smart home technologies, green roofs and walls, waste reduction, and energy-efficient HVAC systems. We'll also discuss the importance of low-impact landscaping, energy-efficient lighting design, regular maintenance, education and involvement, and certifications and assessments. All these steps will help you significantly reduce your environmental footprint. So, are you ready to turn your home into an eco-friendly haven? Let's dive in. By the way, if you like this video and want to see more videos with advice on sustainable living, make sure to click the subscribe button and leave a comment down below saying "I subscribed," and we'll do our best to reply to your comment. First things first, let's talk about energy-efficient design. This is a pivotal step in creating an eco-friendly home, and it all starts with the right orientation. By planning the layout of your home to take advantage of natural light and heat, you can truly maximize the efficiency of your space. Think about aligning windows to soak in the sun during winter and to shield your interiors from intense heat during the summer. But it's not just about how your home faces the sun. Insulation is another key aspect of an energy-efficient design. Investing in high-quality insulation for your walls, roof, and floors can significantly reduce your energy consumption for heating and cooling. This doesn't just save you money on your energy bills, it also helps to reduce your carbon footprint. By planning carefully, you can make your home warm in winter and cool in summer, all while saving energy. Next up, let's discuss the appliances and energy sources for your eco-friendly home. One of the easiest ways to reduce your home's energy consumption is to opt for energy-efficient appliances. These devices are designed to do the same work while using less power. When you're shopping for appliances, look for ones that have been rated by Energy Star. This label indicates that they have been tested and proven to be energy efficient. From refrigerators to washing machines, these appliances can significantly lower your energy usage. Now, let's talk about lighting. Traditional incandescent bulbs are energy guzzlers. Instead, consider making the switch to LED or CFL light bulbs. These bulbs use a fraction of the energy and last up to 25 times longer than their incandescent counterparts. So, not only will you be saving energy, but you'll also save time and money on bulb replacements. Now, on to the exciting part. Renewable energy sources. Have you ever thought about generating your own power? Installing solar panels or wind turbines in your home can make this possible. Solar panels convert the sun's energy into electricity, while wind turbines use the power of the wind. Both are clean, renewable, and can drastically reduce your reliance on fossil fuels. It's also worth noting that many areas offer incentives and rebates for homeowners who choose to install renewable energy systems. This can make the initial investment more affordable and the payback period shorter. However, remember that the efficiency of these systems can depend on your location and the local climate. Therefore, it's essential to do your research and perhaps consult with a professional before making a decision. To summarize, energy-efficient appliances and renewable energy sources are key components of an eco-friendly home. They not only reduce your energy consumption but also contribute to a sustainable and green future. Remember, every watt of energy you save not only reduces your utility bill but also your carbon footprint. Now, let's turn our attention to water conservation and sustainable materials. We all know that water is a precious resource and conserving it is crucial for our environment. One way to conserve water at home is by installing low-flow faucets, showerheads, and toilets. These fixtures are designed to use significantly less water than their standard counterparts, without compromising performance. Imagine the amount of water you could save over time with these fixtures. It's a simple switch that can make a big difference. But why stop there? You can further reduce your water footprint by setting up a system to collect rainwater for irrigation. Or consider a gray water system that recycles water from your sinks and showers for use in your garden. These systems not only conserve water but also reduce the demand on our municipal water supplies. Now let's talk about sustainable materials. When it comes to building or renovating an eco-friendly home, your choice of materials matters. Opt for eco-friendly building materials like reclaimed wood, bamboo, recycled metal, and recycled glass. These materials are not only sustainable, but also add a unique and stylish touch to your home. But here's another thing to consider: indoor air quality. Many common building materials and products emit volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which can affect indoor air quality and pose health risks. So, when selecting materials and products for your home, look for those with low or no VOCs. This includes everything from paint and flooring to furniture and cleaning products. By choosing sustainable materials and products with low VOCs, you are not only creating a healthier living space, but also reducing the demand for new resources and contributing to a cleaner environment. In summary, by installing water-efficient fixtures, utilizing rainwater or graywater systems, and choosing sustainable and low VOC materials, you can create a home that is not only eco-friendly, but also unique, stylish, and healthy. By making these choices, you can conserve water and reduce your environmental impact. Moving on, let's explore the world of smart home technology and green spaces. Imagine a home that learns your daily routine, adjusting the heating and cooling based on your schedule. That's the power of smart thermostats. These intelligent devices can optimize your home's temperature, ensuring comfort while reducing energy consumption. By learning your habits, smart thermostats ensure your home is warm when you return from work and cool during hot summer nights, all while conserving energy. But smart home technology doesn't stop there. Home automation systems take it a step further. They allow you to control lights, HVAC, and other systems more efficiently. Picture this: you're already in bed and realize you've left the kitchen light on. Instead of getting up, you simply use your smartphone to switch it off. Or imagine being able to monitor and control your home's energy use from anywhere at any time. That's home automation for you. Now let's venture outside the home and into the realm of green spaces. Green roofs and walls are not merely aesthetic enhancements. They're functional, energy-saving solutions. A green roof covered with vegetation enhances insulation, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. It can also reduce the urban heat island effect, a phenomenon where city areas are significantly warmer than their rural surroundings due to human activities. Green walls, also known as living walls, work similarly. They can transform an ordinary wall into a vibrant, living piece of art that also improves insulation and air quality. With these technologies and green spaces, you can further improve your home's energy efficiency and overall eco-friendliness. Next, let's consider how you can reduce waste and optimize your HVAC system. One effective way to minimize waste is to set up a composting system for kitchen scraps. This not only reduces the amount of waste going into landfills, but also provides nutrient-rich compost for your garden. Recycling and reusing materials, especially during construction and renovation, is another excellent way to limit waste. It's about thinking creatively and finding new uses for items that would otherwise be discarded. Now, let's talk about your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, or HVAC for short. Choosing an energy-efficient HVAC system can significantly cut down on energy usage and costs. But it doesn't end with installation. Regular maintenance and cleaning are crucial to keep your HVAC system running at peak efficiency. This includes changing filters regularly and scheduling professional servicing at least once a year. By reducing waste and optimizing your HVAC system, you can significantly reduce your environmental footprint. Finally, let's wrap things up with a look at low-impact landscaping, lighting design, and the importance of education and certifications. Low-impact landscaping can be achieved by using native plants that require less water and maintenance, and implementing permeable surfaces to reduce runoff and enhance water absorption. As for lighting, incorporating natural lighting into the design and using task lighting can significantly reduce overall lighting needs. Consider installing motion sensors and timers to control lighting usage more efficiently, but don't forget the human factor. Educate your family members on eco-friendly practices to ensure everyone contributes to sustainable living. Engage in local environmental initiatives and share your experiences with others. Lastly, consider obtaining green building certifications like LEED, and conduct regular energy audits to identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you can create a more sustainable, eco-friendly home. So, what are you waiting for? Start your eco-friendly home journey today. If you liked this video, then make sure to also watch these videos for more DIY sustainable living tips.